What's going on, guys? New day, new adventures. Well, not really adventures, just another day of dismantling. If you guys remembered, a couple months ago, before I decided to use my CRX as the YouTube challenge car, this Del Sol was my first choice because it was a perfect shell to start with. Because one, it was free. Two, I could do whatever the hell I want to as far as chopping it up and all that, and just getting rid of it after it was all said and done. But I decided to live by the brand and build a car to drive to the challenge, race it, and come home. So this Del Sol, where's the dude? The lever's broken. I know. So this car has no paperwork, no nothing whatsoever. It belongs to his friend or cousin or something. Now, before some of you guys go in the comment section and start saying, oh, this car could go to somebody, this car's got like 5 years of back fees on it, so it's not worth it for somebody else to, you know, try to get it registered and roadworthy. I mean, unless you're really up to it, which I don't recommend. It's got a lot of goat shit in it. But this car is being dismantled right here, right now. We're taking the GSR front and rear disc brakes, the suspension, the 2.5 exhaust. There's some turbo components inside of the car that we're going to be taking as well, because, you know what I mean, who doesn't like hoarding parts? It's got some steelies on slicks. It's got full Downstar hardware everywhere in this engine bay. A lot of goat poop, if you guys want that too. It has a carbon fiber hood, which is right there, and everything else is just junk. So, oh, look at that aftermarket fender. Ah! I'm sorry to all the Del Sol owners out there. Chris Sadowski, Bow Division, Honda Vlogs. I would have loved to build this, but it's way too damn much work. So,
how strong is that kick?
Salvaging all of the bolts, because you never know when you need it, right? This guy over here took the gas cap too. Because you never know when you're gonna need it. Look at this guy. A lot of shit. It's a 13. Probably not gonna keep that. Oh, Modelo time.
Can I use your jack?
Yeah, go get it. I didn't tell you to bring the car over here to not use my jack.
Are we taking a rack and painting?
Hey, why are you sweating already? Never worked that hard before or what? Damn. All he did was take off some Downstar hardware and he started sweating already.
I'll be doing all the heavy lifting around here.
That's why he keep you around. You ever pay attention to that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that fanciness right there. eBay, everything. They don't know it's ground control. Chill out. You say it's ground control, people are gonna be like, oh, you want to sell those?
Oh yeah, I'll sell them. How much?
Don't listen to this guy.
How much? Good controls for sale. With Tokiko Blues.
You don't want it. It's eBay. It's eBay. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, these are aluminum.
Yeah, the light one.
If you guys don't know, aluminum lug nuts are the worst because when they strip,
they fuck
everything up. Ask me how I know this. Damn, GSR disc brakes all around with slotted rotors and extended studs. Ooh. My fanciness is killing me. So what's up? You gonna try to modify this on your wagon since you watched my video way too much?
All day.
We'll make it happen somehow. How we looking over here?
What size is that? 17?
17s, yes, and then the rest are 14s. It's got a 2.5 exhaust on this motherfucker too. Straight pipe actually, no resonator, no nothing. But you know what? Chewy claimed that this thing was quiet, so we'll see. He's gonna be using that when he goes K24 in his wagon, and you know, save a little money there. Ah, dang it! You know, we can't salvage it no more. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Both taillights are trash. So this guy got to take off to go do some daddy duties. He's leaving the trailer here. Del Sol's ready to go pretty much. I got this for Christian Honda Vlog. The seal right here is in fairly good condition and it's discontinued from Honda, so I got that for him. Nothing else was salvageable in the car. There was other items he was looking for, but they were already destroyed. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes. On the way. I need a haircut too. Honestly, don't even have anything planned for today. You know, I'm probably going to set up my Harbor Freight welding cart right there that I picked up yesterday for my MIG welder. I'm probably going to relocate my garage and relocate my MIG welding machine over here, and I don't know, find a place for the CSS block that, you know, really just doesn't do anything, right? I might even get that GSR motor that's on the dolly. I'm probably going to hook it up to the engine stand just so I could, you know, be easier to move around, as well as mock up my turbo kit, and maybe we could mock up some turbo downpipes or something. I don't know, but something for the time being until Chew gets back. And also, I got a package from the PO box right here when I went by yesterday. I actually need to go again in a little bit, or just wait for the mailman, because we have a ton more stickers to go out. I'm gonna open this up with you guys really quickly and see what we have in here, and then we'll get to moving the garage around. It's super windy today, guys, and I apologize if the Rode mic is picking up a lot of the wind. So this package came from Lucky Phimpa. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce that right. P-H-I-M-P-H-A. See what we have here. This box got beat up on the way over here, though. Look at that. Oh, snap. Anyways, oh shit. Holy snap, boys. What is going on here? Yo, I'm sorry the lighting is kind of poor as well too. It gets really dark under the carport when I don't have my lights on. So we have a mail here. Okay, first and foremost, this is some really nice penmanship. No homo, but it says, "Hey Static, loving the progress on your build so far. Here are some DSM 450cc 450s." Oh boys, okay. Here are some DSM 450cc injectors that has been static flowed and are within 1% difference to help contribute on the all-wheel drive CRX build. I understand that you have just gotten some Volvo 450cc, so I hope the extra 10cc will help. Also, to help with the build, an HKS blow valve once you go boost. Another note, we have videos of the flow for the injectors. Hit us up at his phone number.
10 hertz, 10 seconds on some DSM 450 injectors for young Static.
Ready?
Go ahead. So that's after 10 seconds. See, it's about 30. No, 24. 24? Yeah, 24. 24 across. That's the first run. At 100 hertz, this is running on stop full pressure. About 66.
Yo, Lucy, don't look at me. We have a set of injectors, guys. Wow, these are really clean. DSM 450cc's, flow matched, 1% difference. Truly appreciate you, Lucky. If Lucky is your name, that's a pretty dope ass name. So definitely gonna use this for the build, man. Your guys' support is unreal. Like, injectors, you know what I mean? And then we have, I'm almost certain this is an authentic HKS. It smells like freaking like tree frog or squash or like air freshener. But I'm almost certain that this is a real authentic HKS sequential blow-off valve, because it says made in Japan. I mean, I don't think there's a rep company out there that actually has, you know, the full trademark of HKS, and you can tell the difference because this piece is super heavy. Oh my goodness, this is a real piece. It's got a different flange on it. I'm not sure, probably for like WRX or something, but yo, this is my first turbo setup on my ES sedan was a real HKS blowout valve. It wasn't this one. It was more of the sleeker body, like no fins or nothing on it. And at first I thought it was annoying, and then I started to, you know, liking it more and more as I was hitting off the blowout valve. And damn. Oh snap. We have a flange that I could possibly use and weld onto a charge pipe, because he is giving this to me for the CRX when we go boost. Now fortunately I do have another replica HKS blowout valve that was sent to me from Car Do Garage, I believe, and that was meant for the CRX, but who doesn't love the authenticity of real parts? So I could possibly give out the other HKS blowout valve away since it was given to me for free. I'm sure Car Do Garage would, you know, appreciate it that I'm just passing it along, even though it was meant for me. And I appreciate you guys' support on, you know, stuff like this for the build, and, you know, keeping me doing what I love to do and sharing my passion with you guys. So, oh. Okay, so this is what I was smelling right here. This is a tree frog. Fresh squash. Damn, dude, I literally just guessed that right. Oh my god. Yo, Lucky, I appreciate you with this mail, man. I'm so blessed to have you guys' support, and for you guys help me grow on the channel, keep me motivated, keep me going, and really just chasing dreams to, you know, live it up one day. And without you guys, I don't think I'd be this far as I am today. So I appreciate you guys' gifts. Words cannot describe the support you guys have been giving me, man. It's so unreal. But like, just know that I am truly thankful, and I want to thank you guys for being around and supporting me in what I do. So you have all the bolts too, right? So we're out here at Sunny Auto Vans. You guys can't really see it right now, but I'll show you guys the EG when we get over there, or the EJ1 Coupe. And lucky for us, we scrapped the Del Sol, and we have all the suspension for it, because he is keeping the wheels and the suspension. So we're gonna go and work on the car a little bit, and we'll get it loaded up on the trailer. So this building right here, I've been coming here since I was a kid, and you know, I'm a friend of one of the sons, and that's his older brother, Hung. And this is the car that he is given to me to build for the channel. Now the only downfall is this giant quarter panel right here, but I told him, I was like, you know what, I'll just have his dad pull it down out when this car is ready to rock and roll. Not a big deal, but regardless, this car is super clean. Inside is all tan, right? And what are the chances that we just scrapped the Del Sol and this car needed wheels and suspension, and we had it in the trunk of the car? So he's gonna go ahead and finish everything up as far as putting suspension and wheels on, and then bring it down, roll it out, load it up, and go home. Damn guys, I have to get rid of that CRX ASAP. So with all the stickers you guys have been purchasing, the proceeds I'm getting from that, Chewy told me to put it towards the new K motor, but you know, it's gonna take a lot more money than just stickers. So the money that I am getting from all the stickers that Chewy has, you know, given me to sell to you guys, is actually gonna buy a new turbo for the CRX, so we can get that back to the track, and then hit our goals, and then sell it ASAP. Because like I said, it was supposed to be a 2018 build, goal reach, and then sold by 2019, because this might be the new car for next year. So what we are doing right now is we're going to be taking off the car from the trailer, and I'm going to be parking it next to my dad's truck, put it under the car cover, and kind of let it sit there for a little bit until we can figure out exactly what it is that we're trying to do, and then we'll talk more about that when it happens. So let's move it. It's the Blair Witch Project. The Blair Witch. Oh, all right, guys. So the car is in its resting grounds for now, and man, Car's clean for the most part, other than this quarter panel damage, which is not a big deal. It's kind of nice little characteristics for a sleeper. But you know, definitely needs some work. I am probably, you know, if I decide to build this car, that I'm just going to do some really minor body work, nothing crazy. Not trying to get the show quality. Might do a cheap paint job and obviously do a basic build. Now, it's never too late to change my mind on what I want to do with this coupe, but I want to keep it as a basic build if I do plan to. Sleeperish, stock hubcaps, GSR turbo, 300 horsepower, you know, all stock. It has tan interior. I want people to look at it and be like, think nothing of it, you know what I mean? So yeah, the car is going to be here for a little bit. I definitely have to get moving on the CRX so we can get that out, and obviously have a place for this car, because I don't want any of my personal cars to be on the grass. I want all my cars to be on the driveway, and because I'm only using 3 slots on the driveway of the 4, one of it has to go for this car. So hopefully my dad is not going to give me hella shit for it, but as long as they know that one of the other cars is leaving, it should be okay. But that means, again, I have to hustle up and do so. But I think that's as far as today goes, guys. I'm not really gonna do anything more in the garage, because today kind of shifted around unexpectedly, and you know, Chewy got to get rid of his Del Sol. If you guys are stoked for the new build, if I decide to build it, hit that like button, and if you guys want to see a future sleeper turbo GSR build, hit that subscribe button. Thank you to Chewy and Goofy for picking up this car for me, and thank you to Hung once again for giving this car to me. I cannot thank you guys enough to help me with my channel and keep it growing. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.